A frozen progress bar in Pool Payday does not always mean your progress is lost. Skills says its default player statistics are calculated from completed matches with a recorded result, while games still in progress are excluded until they finish. Skills docs 190. By the end, you'll know which checks to make before reinstalling Pool Payday, and what to do if the progress still refuses to update. First, finish any match that is currently active. Skills specifically separates completed results from matches that are still in progress, so a progress value may not change while the game is waiting for a result. Skills docs 190. If the match has already finished but the progress bar is frozen, completely close Pool Payday and reopen it. Then check the same progression screen again, instead of repeatedly starting new matches. Next, check whether Pool Payday needs an update. The current skills listing confirms that Pool Payday is a skills-powered game with progression rewards, and the App Store version history lists performance improvements and bug fixes among previous updates. Skills Games 1T. On iPhone, open the App Store and check your available updates. On Android, open Google Play and check the Pool Payday listing. If an update is available, install it before doing anything more aggressive. The next step is checking your connection. Progress information can depend on communication between the game and the skills platform, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and reopen the game. Avoid playing another cache match while the previous result appears to be stuck. If the bar remains frozen after a completed match, report the issue through Skills support instead of repeatedly reinstalling the app. Skills says you can open the menu, select Contact Support, and submit the game name, device, operating system, and details about what happened. Skills support trick. If the problem involves a crashed or aborted match, Skills also provides a jury report, a problem option from the match results screen. The support process can include the match ID, which helps identify the affected game. Skills support et. So the fix is straightforward. Complete the pending match, restart Pool Payday, check for an app update, verify your connection, and contact Skills if completed results still aren't reflected. Your next step is to check whether the frozen bar is tied to an unfinished match before deleting anything. If this fixed your Pool Payday progress issue, like the video, and subscribe for more 2026 app fixes.